What it do, peoples? I don't really know what's going on here. I think we got Ken over here talking smack to Hellboy. He might be showing off. We got Barbie and her friend coming up out the gas station. And yeah, they are wondering what's going on themselves. But we got Ken over here talking smack to Hellboy. He done got himself a new band. And I guess he think he got something for Hellboy, so he over there talking smack. Now, I guess we gotta see. I guess we gonna see what they talking about. Cause Ken over here hollering, see me at the start line. Let's see what they do. Okay, so obviously there's a car meet at the 7-Eleven. They figuring out who's racing who, and Barbie and her friend want to get in the mix, so Ken has to take them to the house to get their cars. Well, I guess we're going to see y'all back at the 7-Eleven. What are those peoples? We done pulled up to the 7-Eleven, and we are seeing who is who and who's driving what and who's talking. All right, so Barbie is over here talking cold cash stuff to Tila. I don't know if that's a good idea. Barbie's driving a Corvette. Tila's driving the, what's that? That's just an Escalade. Corvette against Escalade? I don't know. Then we got Corvette against Porsche. And I don't know. That's a friendly race there. We got a Viper against a Nissan. We got an SRT Demon with Hellboy driving the Demon. And then, okay, we got Ken over here with the Benz. Is that Chucky? See, now that's why this whole Impala is a whole menace. We got Chucky over here driving the SS Impala. Now wonder. So, apparently, everybody's competing for the chance to take the track test champion title from my man Chucky. I guess we're gonna start off ladies first, and we're gonna go here, then here, then here, and then we're gonna go to the gentlemen, and we're gonna see who's racing Chucky. Let's get to the start line, see what they do. All right, she done won the race. Now she already looking for her next victim. They ain't even got done racing yet. She already looking for her next victim. Let's get back to these races. See which one of these Barbies gonna make it. Obviously, she done found her next victim. She over there talking cold cash stuff to her right now. And She up. I guess they yelling at each other. And they ain't budged, but let's see what they do. Because they still arguing. Apparently, Tila left the scene. She going to go get something to drink or some ice or something. Because Tila ain't out to hit her like that. She just committed a hit and run, rolled out. So, now, this all started with them. Yeah, that's good. Let's see what they do. Okay, so apparently Ken done did all that trash talking. Talk trash talking. I said that. Yes, I did. Talk trash talking. And he leaving the scene. What is Barbie doing? Why is she... Okay, Barbie didn't challenge Hellboy. I'm not sure why, but that happened. And let's get back to the Porsche. Let's see if the Barbie with the Porsche can beat the Barbie with the Nissan. The Nissan. They look like they plotting. They all lost. And they look like they plotting on something. I don't know what they plotting on, but they plotting on something. She over here already talking to Chucky? She better not be challenging. Now it's time for them to get down. So let's see what's up. And Kendall went home and grabbed a whole new vehicle. I don't know if they're gonna let this fly. But he did go grab another vehicle. He just got destroyed by SRT. So I guess he went and got him his SRT. I don't know if Hellboy gonna let him get that rematch with a whole different car. We'll see what he do. There is a gathering of Barbies at the gas station, and I'm not sure I like what's happening here. But with that being said, we got a Barbie over here, and I think Hellboy just said it's time to go. So we got the Porsche against the Hellcat. Let's see what they do. All Barbies have been eliminated, and Kendon pulled back up, challenging Hellboy again, as Hellboy is walking up, trying to see if he gonna take the Track Test Champion title. Kendon rolled up, interrupting the conversation. And you know what? Hellboy's so confident, he said he gonna give him a chance. He said he gonna let it rock. So let's see what they do. Well, as you can see, Ken is leaving the scene. And now Hellboy and Chucky can finally get down to business. And if I'm right, Chucky has a nice little smirk on his face. I don't think, or no, he looks more offended. He looks offended. He looks very offended that Hellboy is even challenging him. Well, let's see what's happening. Now that was a close one, but in the end, y'all know who got it. Chucky got him.